This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or unhide slides in a PowerPoint presentation. I'll be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. Okay, I have PowerPoint opened up now and I have an example slide presentation here. When you hide a slide, you're not deleting the slide. The slide will still be there. It just doesn't show up when you play the presentation. It will skip over whatever slides you have hidden. Say that I want to hide this first slide here. I'll show you two different ways to hide slides. To hide this first slide, I will right click and I'll go down to where it says hide slide and I'll select that. Now as you can see, the slide has a bit of a transparency to it and the number 1 is crossed out. The first slide has been crossed out. If I was to play this presentation, it would begin with slide number 2. To unhide a slide, it's the exact same process. All you have to do is right click on the slide that you want to unhide and go down and select hide again, hide slide again. Now the slide is back. The transparency is gone and the number 1 is not crossed out anymore. Another way to hide a slide is to go to the slideshow tab up here, select that, then you will select whatever slide that you want to hide. Say I want to hide this number 2 slide here. I will select it, then I will go up and I will click on hide slide. Now as you can see, the number 2 slide has the transparency to it and the number 2 is crossed out. When I play the presentation, it will start with number 1 and it will skip to number 3. Number 2 will be hidden during the presentation. To unhide it, you do the exact same thing. You make sure that the slide is selected and you go up and you click on hide slide again. Now the slide is back. But that is how you hide and unhide slides in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.